seen before. Earning money without having to work for it. Yours will be a perfect world. Donkeys might fly.
Succeeding in business and being successful are different, no? Our new business model, Virtual Franchise, applied to the network, combined with your commitment and your professionalism, will be the most concrete growth opportunity you've ever experienced. A product with great demand for all markets of the world. Telecom Voice over Internet Protocol enables world to communicate globally for free or at a very low cost. Working with sound and well-made products is crucial. When the products we offer are free, they also improve people's lifestyles. That's when you could say you found your perfect business. You will have a targeted market in great expansion, able to work 24 hours around the world, thanks to Your Worlder Store, your online sales tool. In 2010, 299 million smartphones sold, 297.2 million VoIP users in the world, $12.6 billion in revenue for VoIP services. You have the opportunity to let all your customers and your network franchises connect for free throughout the world using any smartphone, desktop computer or laptop, or mobile and public phones. How? Thanks to SoftSIM. Activated in 2 steps and keeping your phone number, you will have access to the entire telecommunications world system. And then, International SIM. Our GSM SIM is for those who communicate from one country to another. World Membership. The subscription rate plans include personal and business. Direct access to exploit the advantages of the world from a landline and the public. Urban Number provides the ability to have your number work worldwide. A solid company, great professionals, and assured future. We chose the technology applied to telecommunications because it is our passion. And true passions will never disappoint because they don't vanish into thin air. They renew themselves and return stronger with each new stage, more and more concrete. A team of experts that will help you to expand your business in every point of view. Technological assistance, support the development of your network. Innovative marketing tools to support. The World Academy for the development of your skills and your personal and professional growth. The program, World for You. We imagine your future economic, professional, cultural, and social realization. Follow our training and make best use of all available tools. Develop your organization with the look of a leader. Become a true worlder. Build your network successfully. We'll ensure that it operates and continues to grow in independence. Help other people in your network to achieve your own success and your own skill. A true world leader learned not to be essential for this to happen. You can dedicate yourself, making career, personal, or other work a hobby or a long vacation, and still receive the benefits produced by your organization that will continue to work successfully in complete autonomy. Stop being a manager. Become a happy worlder.